Hi everyone, we're excited to have you join our Influencing with Visuals workshop. It's no surprise that the most thoughtful and effective communicators frame their ideas in a visual story. Why? Because visuals affect our emotions, and our emotions impact decision making. But here's the reality. We're crunched for time, so we throw together distracting visuals and mountains of data. The result? We fail to connect with our audience and drive our key messages home. So how do we get talented people like ourselves to use the power of visuals to help sell our ideas? Influencing with Visuals will help you get there. During this hands-on workshop, you'll learn how to organize your ideas into visual messages that are easy to digest. You'll see firsthand why a good slide works and why a bad one fails. And finally, you'll learn how to use a pivot strategy. In your meeting or presentation, you'll be able to meet the needs of your customers or executives real time. Not creative? No problem. We're going to help you think like a designer without being one. We'll give you a visual slide library, a powerful tool to jumpstart presentation development. The library contains about 100 visual layouts, all customized in your brand, designed to help you quickly and easily bring to life the story you want to show, not just tell. So what do you walk away learning from this workshop? First, you'll start to think in a story-driven visual mindset. You'll no longer create PowerPoint slides that look pretty but fail to communicate value. You'll have the tools in your toolkit to up-level the way you present information. And finally, you'll become more confident, a more strategic communicator. We look forward to having you in our workshop. See you soon.